Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is about the lights on the Crown Vic. Now I have already ordered some lights for this Crown Vic. Unfortunately, they didn't come in and I was issued a refund. So now I'm back at square one. But before we decide to order another set, I want to go ahead and take a look at the ones that's on the car now and explain why we won't be keeping these. And then we're going to take a look at the ones that was on the previous Crown Vic that we had on the channel and see, should we go, and I'm gonna let you guys decide, should we go back with that set, because that's what I did just order, but they didn't come in. Should we go with that set, or should we go with something a little bit different, maybe something newer, a design, or should we just keep the ones that you're gonna see on the previous car? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the ones on this car, and we're gonna go from there. So these are the ones that are on the Crown Vic now, and as you see, they have had their better days. Now, I didn't want to try to bring them back because on the inside, it's not this one, it's the other one. The inside is like changing colors. So it wouldn't do any good to go ahead and just try to bring them back. So it's just best to go ahead and replace them. And that saves me a little work also. Now the side lights, they're fine, you know, that's still nice and clear. This one is a little faded, but not too bad. But of course, you can order the whole set, or you can just order the front ones themselves. Now, could I clean those lights up that's on the car now and try to bring them back? I could, but like I said, the inside is starting to change color. One of them is starting to turn like a brownish black on the inside. So even if the outside is clear, you still have that dingy looking headlight. So it's just a lot easier just to go ahead and replace them. So here is a clip of the previous Crown Victoria that was on the channel, and these are the headlights that I did install on it. If you want to check that video, I'll leave a link in the description below also for that video to see when I put these in. Now this corner light came off a Mercury Marauder, so you can ignore that part. I just did not feel like changing it out at the moment. And I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a walk around the car. It was a very nice looking car. And if you want to know what happened to it, just check back some of the old previous videos. Got a ton of videos on it. But as we come on around, you'll see the matching corner light for the headlights. It did come with the whole set. And as you see, it does blend in. And it goes very well with the color. Now, of course, the car that we're talking about has the white paints, so it may look a little different. But I think these are pretty nice. I did like them overall. The only thing about them, the corner lights didn't last that long. They did fade on me, at least the one I did have installed. And they were pretty simple to install. Just basically remove the old ones, put these in. No extra wiring or anything like that. Now, as we move forward through the video, I'm going to show you guys something that may require a little wiring, as far as I think it was HED headlights, something like that. So leave a comment down below. What do you think about these? Should we go back with a set like this? And I will also leave a link in the description below of where I purchased them from, just in case you may be interested in the set. Now this is what the headlights look without the matching corner light. So this was still the original corner light before I installed the matching one. But as you see, the headlights, they were nice, super clean and clear. I did like the black background on the inside. Now this is a clip of before I installed the headlights, so you can see what the original lights, what type of shape they were in. As you see, pretty much foggy. Now I did already have the Marauder corner light in because someone had actually bumped into the Crown Vic and kind of like cracked the original one. But you see, these are the original headlights, and they were not that you know, not in that great of a shape. But so check out this video. The link will be somewhere in the description or may pop up on the screen. Now here we're going to take a look on Amazon. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below of where I'm checking these lights out at. But right now these are some these are LED headlights. And as you see, they have like a running time light underneath the bulbs that may stay on all day. I'm just not a fan of having to wire up headlights. I like them to plug and play, so we can get some that's, you know, maybe look a little more up to date. Then I don't mind purchasing those. But if we have to do like a lot of wiring, or really any type of wiring, then I'm gonna probably have to skip by those. But I would like, you know, some LED headlights that may shine a little bit better than the original. So that's the price on those. And we're gonna scroll on down. They actually had some with the black background. Oh, here they go. Now, the only thing about these is it's like one whole set. So it's like the corner light is attached to the headlight itself. And so it's like one big piece. Now, I'm not sure how that will fit in there. So I don't know if anybody has ever tried this set, let me know. And of course, if you just want to go back with the basic ones, you know, they have that. I think it's like $60, maybe $100 if you want the corner lights too. But the corner lights usually hold up pretty well. So if you just want to go back with some original, and that's fine too. As you see, there they go. There's $64 for the original. And now these right here are the 97 model Crown Vics. So that's where we're at so far on the headlights. So let me know what you guys think. Make sure you leave a comment, hit the like button if you've seen a set that you like. So let me know what you guys think. Should we go with just original, the set that you just seen, or something a little bit different? But other than that, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.